Hello, this is Matthew Fagan for my second video for my web application movie theater website and my major contributions. So, you must be signed in to buy tickets. I added the standard functionality that you would find in any theater website where a user must be signed in to purchase tickets. They of course can view which movies are out, but beyond that they cannot go further. Directs users to the proper page, gives a message stating what must be done. So basically it kicks them to the login page and gives them a flash message saying, hey, you need to be signed in if you want to buy tickets. The admin can edit the movie page. The admin has the ability to add movies, delete movies as needed to update the movie theater website. Again, a standard feature that you would find in any movie theater website. Admin page generates image names. So the workaround I use to have the ability to generate a unique image name and for the images and be able to get the image name to add these to the page later was I create a separate image name page that shows the images, shows the names. So if you're the admin, you can go in there, find the image you want, copy paste the name, and then use it to upload it to your theater. And these are just some other little standard features. Users can see their cart, log out, admin can upload and delete images, admin can update movies, delete movies, add new movies to the theater. All of these update in the database, and pages are protected from unauthorized usage. Those are just standard features you'd find. So I'm going to just go to my website and show these off real quick. So you go to movies out now. Oh, a bunch of movies. I want to go see Infinity War, of course. Purchase ticket. You must be signed in to view this page. So it protects it, can't do it. So I'll just sign into a and now I can purchase my tickets. And then there's my sign out button. I'll go to my admin page now. So, takes you to the standard page. You can see the movies. There's the admin page that pops up now. It was protected before. Now I can go to my admin page that I'm allowed to enter. And it gives you these three options up top. Update a theater, which inserts the image name, title, price, description. But my issue was, how do I know the image in the folder? I need the name. So I create this movie listing. So this is the only image I have in my database right now, but it gives it the title right here. So if you want, you can just copy paste that, and then go to update a theater, and then just copy paste it in, and then create the movie. That was my workaround for that issue I was having. And then insert a movie. This is just the upload to the movie file. I'll show you that real quick. So I'm going to upload another 12 Angry Men. Upload that, and then takes me to my movies to use page. There's the 12 Angry Men with the new unique generate title that I can copy and paste if I want to create it. So, of course, you can delete, edit, whatever you want, and then that will reflect in the movie page. So I just deleted that one. So go back to my now it's just the two movies. Go back to my admin page. Update a theater. Choose an image. Our title 12 Angry Men. Price $7.50. Description: 12 men are very angry. There it is. 12 men are very angry, and I have the Infinity War picture because I copy pasted the wrong one. But gets the point across. I can edit and delete them as I see fit. Insert using the See Movies listing page. Gets me the title. And then, what else did I need to show? I need to show protected. No, I think I showed that. Okay, well, I think I showed off my features. Thank you.